Hi, hello, viewers. All right, let's look at this question we have here. The question is, copper 2 salt was electrolyzed when 0.5 ampere and 9,650 coulombs of electricity passed through a solution of the salt. And A, we are asked to calculate for the mass of the copper that was deposited, and B, the time taken for that electrolysis. Very easy. We are asked to calculate for the mass and the time. And if you look at that question very well, you understand that that question is a Faraday law calculation. And there are two formulas that is going to guide us in order to calculate for Faraday law better, which is N equal to M all over M, also equal to IT all over CF. And we also know that Q, which is the quantity of electricity passed, is equal to IT. So it means that anywhere we see IT, we can also replace it with Q because Q is equal to what? IT. Now let's spell out all the parameters that was given to us. In that question, we are given our Q, right, which is equal to 9,650 coulombs, right? We're also given the current to be 0.5 ampere, right? And we are not given time. In fact, we are asked to calculate for time. And we are told that the copper is a copper 2 salt, means that our C here is going to be 2 because it's a divalent metal. Copper is a divalent metal, so our C is going to be 2. And we are also given the Faraday's law, which we know is always constant, to be 9,650 coulombs. And lastly, we are given the molar mass of copper to be 64. Alright, so these are all the parameters given to us in order for us to solve for mass. Now, if you look at the formula very well, we are going to adopt the formula that has mass in it and also the formula that also have what is given to us, which is N all over M equal to IT all over CF. So our M all over our M, this is mass, is the molar mass equal to IT all over CF. But in that question, we are not given T. In fact, we are asked to find T in the next question. But we are told that Q is also equal to IT. So we present here as Q. Hope that's okay. Now let's plug in our parameters. M, we are asked to find M, so it is unknown. Our molar mass of copper is 64, which is equal to our Q, which is 9,650 all over our C2 times our F, Faraday's constant, which is 9,650. Now let's simplify. Let's simplify and see the answer. Because multiply this times this will give us 2 times 9,650 gives us 193,000 M equal to 9,650 times 64. So this times this gives us 617,600. If we make M the subject of the formula is going to be 617,600 all over 93006. Alright, divided by 193,000, and our answer, our mass is going to be 3.2 gram. So that's the first answer. Our mass is 3.2 gram. And we also asked to calculate for T, which is what? Time. 2 gram. Now let's calculate for our time. We asked to calculate for time. But recall that we are given that Q is equal to I times T. The quantity of electricity is equal to current times time. And if we make time the subject of the formula is going to be Q all over the current, which is Q is 9,650 all over the current, which is 0.5. And if we simplify that, 9,650 divided 0.5, our answer is going to be 119,300 seconds. You can convert the seconds to minutes, convert it in the comment section, and tell me what the equivalent is in minutes or in hour. Bye for now.